Blessings. This evening, I have compiled a list of stories, so stick around for the news in detail. In the meantime, if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro. Soon forward. And as we kick things off in the county of Surrey, 20-year-old Amoya Ogilvie of Ferry Hill District in Portland has been missing since Monday, August 15. She is of dark complexion, stout built, and about 173 centimeters, calculation 5 feet 8 inches tall. Reports from the Spanish Town Police are that about 5:30 p.m. Ogilvie was the last seen in St. Jago Meadows, St. Catherine, and has not been heard from since. When seen, she was dressed in a blue t-shirt, a white stripe and black tights. So anyone knowing the whereabouts of Amoya Ogilvie is asked to contact the Spanish Town Police at 876-984-2305 119 police emergency number or the nearest police station in your vicinity. Still in the parish of Portland, the Portland Town Police have named Stafford Beckford, otherwise called Chala, of Johntown, Portland, and Duckent Field in St. Thomas as wanted. He is urged to report to the Portland Town Police Station immediately. Stafford Beckford is wanted in connection with a case of murder. And just a quick reminder to all family members of these wanted men that harboring these fugitives, just be reminded that you will be charged and charged equally if they are found in your space. And as we take a look at another missing person, a sister is desperately trying to locate her missing sibling, and she is seeking the help of the public. Anyone that might have any information as to the whereabouts of Aitasia Lee is being asked to contact. As a matter of fact, you can basically reach out to me and I'll pass down the information. It was told to me that she left home to go meet with someone in Half a Tree St. Andrew on Tuesday evening. That was from August 9. And has not been heard from since. All attempts to contact her has been without success. However, the taxi that they sent for her, the family members have been calling this person, and for some reason he is not answering his phone. That's his number on your display, 876-819-3459. And the associate that requested her to do the meetup, the person who told her to meet them at the unknown location, this is also the number for that individual, 876-423-0858. They are not taking any calls from the family members of Aitasia Lee. I don't know if that is what you call guilt, but I would advise you to return the people and girl child. The family is worried and they need answers. Whosoever purchased those 2 SIM cards with their ID, their identification card, will have to talk up and start talking real soon. So there are some adjustments to be made when dealing with criminals who use illegal firearms to commit crimes. And according to the Prime Minister, there are some new measures that will be implemented real soon to combat crime, to tackle illegal firearms in the hands of the youths that is creating havoc across the island. According to his utterances, the government is very serious about treating with these issue of illegal firearms in the country, and this is the final warning. So for those who are dealing in illegal firearms, trafficking illegal firearms, and using illegal firearms when caught, you will be greeted with a very harsh punishment. Be attentive.
There is this view in the society that we need to arm ourselves to protect ourselves. Some people legitimately hold that view. That if you can't protect yourself, if the security forces can't protect you, then you should have your gun. And many people have presented defenses in court to say, you know, I have this gun to protect myself because, you know, somebody was threatening me and so I had to get an illegal firearm. Now, all of these things require a kind of social consensus that we need to draw the line to say, listen, we acknowledge that your economic circumstances and poverty would have predisposed you to guns and gun culture, that your safety and security is also a challenge and that might predispose you. But as of now, no one in Jamaica should have an illegal firearm, as of now. And we have been giving you warnings about this. And if you are caught with an illegal firearm, if you are dealing in illegal firearms, if you are trafficking illegal firearms, if you're using illegal firearms, you will face very harsh punishment. So this is a warning then. When the new legislation is passed, find a way to turn over the gun to the police. We might even give you some amnesty. Because we are going to make it unprofitable for you to have an illegal firearm. Right now, people are caught with illegal firearms. I know of a case they get 1 year and whatever in jail. Some get suspended sentences and they're out again. But what we need to be clear on is that there must be a disincentive and a deterrent for the youngster who goes to school playing gun war, see his brother with a real gun, decide that he want one as well, go and get one. That system must change. And you have to therefore put in place strong measures, including a legislative process that changes the risk reward of owning a firearm and the interdiction and enforcement system. Early in the year, we launched the Get Every Illegal Gun campaign. And then I said we're going to target the big fish. And then I tell you we're changing the law. So I've been giving people warning from the year and I don't want anybody balling. Because we've been giving warning and you're seeing it materialize before your eyes. That the people who think that they are importing guns and we don't know. We are doing it the right way. We are gathering the evidence, we are putting the case together, and we are putting it before the courts. That's what we're doing. You're not hearing us out there running up our mouths and saying all kind of things. Right? My job is I tell the country, this is what we're doing, and then I stop. And then you see the result. Because we're serious about treating with this gun issue. So all those people who are putting in the guns in the barrels, I tell you, I'm working on that element of it. I'm working very closely with the US authorities. Yes, we are going to get some of those people who are disassembling the guns and putting them into the rice bag, putting them into the soap, and sending it into the barrels. We are going to get you. Yeah. Can't say me never did warn you.
So there you have it. Just leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. Most importantly, be reminded that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm, blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.